If you've been looking for a planner that actually works, I've got you. I built 10 AI-enhanced digital products, planners and prompt ebooks, all designed to help you organize your life, your creativity, and your business. Let me show you what's inside. First up, the Budget Planner. 22 pages of financial tracking tools, monthly budgets, savings trackers, debt payoff sheets, and an AI coaching prompt that helps you build a real money plan. Next, the ADHD Planner. 31 pages built specifically for ADHD brains, daily and weekly spreads, brain dump pages, habit trackers, impulse control logs, and 2 full-page AI coaching prompts to help you start tasks and stay on track. The ADHD Digital Planner is the same powerful system, fully hyperlinked and ready to use in GoodNotes, Notability, or any PDF app on your iPad. The Meal Planner makes weekly meal prep effortless. Plan your meals, track your grocery list, and stay consistent without the stress. The Wellness and Self-Care Planner gives you space to track your mood, energy, sleep, habits, and mental health, all in one beautiful system. The Social Media Content Planner was built for creators. Plan your content calendar, track your posting schedule, and map your strategy across every platform. The Student Study Planner is your academic edge. Schedule your coursework, track deadlines, plan study sessions, and stay ahead all semester. And for the AI creators, I have 3 prompt ebooks. Talk to AI, the Prompt Playbook. Over 100 prompts for stunning AI art, images, and video. Say the right words, get stunning results. AI Nature Beauty and AI Lady Models. 2 focused prompt packs for breathtaking landscape photography and high-quality AI model imagery. And finally, your AI co-founder is already waiting. 52 executive-level business prompts across every stage of building a company. All 10 products are available right now at VexPrompt.com. The link is in the description below. If this was helpful, subscribe. I drop new AI prompts and tools every single day.